What's up, everybody? It's your girl Pretty Percent. That's spelled P-R-E-T-T-Y with a percent sign. I'm dancing. Hey, that's because I'm going out tonight and I have to look good. I'm gonna get dolled up and made up, and I'm not gonna spend a lot of money. And what I'm talking about is getting my lashes done. But guess what? I'm gonna do them, and I'm gonna show you how. Before we get started, I want you to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you can be up to date whenever I drop a new video. All right, let's get right into it. So I have some lashes here that I'm going to show you in a minute. First, I have these strips, but I'm not wearing these, and I'm going to tell you why in a minute. I'm going to be wearing individuals. All right, individuals are my best friend. With the strips, they don't last long, but they're very quick to put on if you just want to wear them every day. But you just can't go to sleep in them. The individuals, you can go to sleep in those. And if you won't wake up looking all crazy either. I'm going to show you a real good way to put them on. It's real nice and easy, okay? Now, individuals to me look way better. They last longer. They're very lightweight. They're cheap. I bought these for $3.99, okay? Yes, and you know, when you put them on, it's a certain technique that you got to do. So I'm going to show you that too. All right. Now, this is a good way not to spend a lot of money like people are doing. I mean, kudos to the people that are getting them done for $100 to $300 and, you know, keeping those on. I have got them done like that before, but I really didn't like it because they're called the extended wear lashes, and I don't know, it was hurting my eyes. I know that's weird, but I have real sensitive eyes. You see, I have a sensitive face, sensitive skin, and I gotta do everything right in particular and what works for me. So come along and watch me do my work. All right, I'm showing you everything that you'll need. You'll need a tweezer. You'll need some hair bonding glue. This is only 99 cents at the hair beauty supply stores. The tweezers are about $1.99. Here are the individuals that I will be using. You see, they say knot free double flare. I like the double, and I always choose medium. They have short, medium, and large. Medium would be like a better look for me, and they're only $3.99. Usually I use one whole pack on one eye and the other pack on the other eye, but today I'm gonna just show you 2 of these rows gonna be on one eye, and the last 2 will be on another eye. So it's 4 rows, and we're gonna put 2 rows on one eye and 2 on the other. Guys, let me go ahead and show you how I do it. You want to go ahead and open up the pack. That's what I'm doing. Just have it open. This is how it looks. And it's real easy to take off. You will use your tweezers to do that. I always get it in there and I pull it out. Okay? Little piece sticking off on the side, it's okay. We're still putting all that in. It's good to hold it like this. Now make sure you wash your face. That's why you can tell I washed my face and my eyelashes. You see, I have no eyelashes, so I need these bad boys. All right, and some people put mascara on, but they put that on first. And the reason why is because they might want to put some eyeshadow on or something. So you put your eyeshadow on first too, and then you do the mascara. The mascara kind of keeps it looking more full, but we're not going to do the mascara trick. So usually what I like to do is I get out my glue and I make a little puddle. I need something to put this on. Guess I'll just put on this napkin that I have down here. All right, as you can see, I put a little puddle of the glue out on the napkin, and then I pulled the lashes out with the tweezers off of the row. See, I got the first row gone, and it's right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and hold it. It's real easy to just hold them like this, okay? And then you just dip it in the glue. just the top part. And I'm gonna show you how I do it. Just a little glue on here. I don't think you can see it. It's a little blurry, sorry. Like I said, I've already washed my face and around my eyes and pat them dry. And I dipped the lash in. I'm gonna start on my right eye. And it doesn't matter where you start, you're just doing your whole eye because we got the first row. You like just put it in with your lashes already. See? All right, I got one on. That's how we're gonna do all of them. Just put it on like that. It's not scary. Make sure you touch your eye right there where the lash is. You see what I'm doing? This is for beginners, actually. Man, I used to get my lashes done. We used to sit in the row. I used to go to this flea market up on Old National Highway. The lady that used to do everybody's lashes, I think her name was Princess or Diamond. She was like mid-age, pretty lady. But man, she used to do individuals like this, and it'd be like 10, 15 of us sitting down in a chair waiting to go next. And I believe we used to pay like $35 back then. This was like, it's 2022 now. This was like back in like 2008, 7. That's what I think. But man, she used to go so fast. And I was like, man, I can't keep on coming here. Then sometimes they'll fall out. You know, our eyelashes, our real eyelashes, they shed every night. That's why sometimes you wake up, you look on your pillow, and you might see a lash or two. All right, so now I got the right eye finished with only 2 rows, and they're all medium length. Sometimes you can get short, medium, and large, and you can put them all on. I have to show you that in another tutorial how to do that. Get all fancy with it so it can go like short, flared, all the way to long. You know what I mean? But so that's all for that eye. Using 2 rows again. I'm gonna do the left eye. Alright guys, here are my lashes. Can you see them up close? You have to allow them to dry. Again, when you do your lashes, make sure you wash your face, and you know, you can put on some moisturizer around your eye if you wear it. Do not put on any mascara before you do individual lashes. You can do them when you do your strip lashes, the ones that are just all together already, like these. I'll do these next time. Show you an easy way. I don't even put the whole thing on my eye. I cut them. They last longer. Okay, now to keep these lasting long, sometimes you want to get a Q-tip. And what you'll do is you just get any excess glue that's up here. You just wipe it off. And I don't have one of those little brushes, but again, get the glue off with your Q-tip with the extra glue. There's one more step. If you have some black gel eyeliner, that would be good. Oh, let me take it out. Just a regular little pencil. It's already up. What you're gonna do is put 2 strips. One strip here, one strip there, across your eye, like you're doing eyeliner on top though. So you're gonna it just blends in with the glue. See what I did? Do the other one. And that's how it looks. I'm gonna put a little concealer under my eyes, just to wake it up so you can see. All right, guys, this is the finished touch on how I do my lashes. I just close my eyes. I have the little black strip over it from the black gel eyeliner that I get from your local beauty supply store. And I only have 2 strips of the eyelashes that I use. The first 2 rows on one eye and the other 2 rows on the other eye. And they actually look full to me. Most people use one whole pack on one eye and another pack on the other eye because they like the real fullness. That's why most people, you know, get the strips. These are the strips that I'm talking about. We'll show you how to do that another time. Make sure you comment below and let me know if you like how I showed you how to do my lashes. It's real easy and it's fun too. Makes you look good. I can go out now and have a good time like I told you guys at the beginning. And make sure you share my video. Until next time, I'll make sure I don't keep you guys waiting too long. Bye-bye.